If you're frustrated by the lack of interest in your songs, then this course might be good for you. If you're wondering why all your songs sound the same, or that's what people tell you, then this course might be good for you. If you're wondering why the people around you aren't getting excited or as excited as you are when you write a song, and if you're wondering why they're not singing along in the hook chorus that you think is so catchy, then this might be a good course for you. Because what I'm going to do is help you step away from you listening to your song and with your ears and your creative instincts, and help you actually listen from the audience perspective. And you'll start changing things. You'll change things so they'll sing along. You'll change things so they'll think that is the catchiest song I've ever heard. Maybe you've had success as a songwriter already. You've had a song on a record, or the song's working in the local community, but you've hit a plateau. You've hit the ceiling. You can't work out how to go any further. It's all sort of almost like the world's closing in on you. Well, I can help you with that. I can help you understand why you've hit the plateau. I can help you understand by looking at and like finding different genres, different markets, different styles, different ways of writing a song. So I'll give you confidence actually to know why your song may or may not work with an audience. And maybe you're actually aiming your song at the wrong audience altogether. Maybe you're better suited to that audience over there. If you struggle with writer's block, I can help that. I can show you how you could stir up inspiration so it happens all the time. You can get inspired 24/7. It sounds crazy, right? No, it's not crazy. Okay, I can help you with that. Writer's block does not have to be a problem for you. Or you may have the problem, I've got too many ideas and you don't know what to do with them. And sometimes your songs will probably suffer from that because they'll have too many things running through the same song. Well, I can give you a process so you work out how to move things around, put things in order, and maybe from one little jumble of ideas you get 3 or 4 songs, not just one song with too many ideas in it. That's part of the process. Maybe you have a whole bunch of song ideas and you can't work out how to finish them. I can help you with that. I can give you some tools, some practices, some things that become your habit, and you'll know, like, it's like putting things in a filing cabinet. When you get the idea, you go, okay, good, I'll put that over here. Oh, that's going to fit over here. Oh, and all of a sudden, you're going to start finishing songs. That's what this process is about, giving you the tools to start and finish a song based on your own creativity, based on your own style, your own voice as a songwriter, not my voice. You're not going to sound like me. The world does not need another me. We need more of you. We need more of you understanding who you are. And a big part of this process is for you to unearth or have confidence in or to recognize your own style, your own voice as a songwriter. You were put on this earth for a reason. We need to hear that voice of a songwriter shining out, being bold, with writing with authority, not guessing, not hoping. That's what this process is about. I can help you find your voice and find confidence to launch out and to write songs for what, not one market or target audience, whatever you prefer to say, but many. It's up to you. Maybe you've got a whole bunch of songs written and you don't know what to do with them. You don't know what form they should be in, how to demo them, how to prepare them, how to get ready to send out to a publisher, send out to a label, to even pitch it to the local promoter in your area. I can show you how to do that. Maybe you're not even sure what people are looking for when they say we need a song. That is a huge problem with artists, with creative people. It's an assumption that we have something that someone else wants. But I can teach you how to listen and understand what the needs are in the target audience you're trying to reach. And instead of you actually just hoping that they like it, you're responding to their needs. Okay, you're writing a song based on their requests, but maybe their heart's calling out for something. Maybe they say it in words. Maybe they don't say it very well. But I teach you how to understand that and how to draw that information out. So when you bring a song to them, you're bringing it based on that interaction you've had with that promoter, with that publisher, with that artist, whoever it may be. That's a huge part of songwriting. It's a huge part of the creative service and production services that we operate in. We are a service provider. Okay, we create songs. It's a piece of art, but we're responding to a need in the audience. We're responding to a need in the market. And once we know how to interpret that information, go back and forwards, then we be ourselves and write a great song for them. Or you write one song or two songs a year. And with your process currently, that's all you're able to do. But what if I gave you a process that you could write 10 or 20 songs? I'm not kidding. All right? Because it becomes a process that you understand. Like if you're a working person, you already have a process in the day. You know, you get up, have a shower, have coffee, have breakfast, get on the bus or get in the car, you go to work. So that's a process, right, of getting there to work. So you do it every day the same if you go to an office or you go to college, whatever you're doing. So what I'm going to teach you is a process that you, before you write, so before you go to work, before you write, you enter this process and it'll speed up everything you do. You'll write quicker. You'll write more songs every year. You will. You'll have more confidence with your lyrics. You'll know why you're writing. You're responding to a need in the audience. You're not writing just because you think it's good. That's part of it. But you think it's good, and now will this audience connect with this? Am I reaching a need? Am I saying something that this audience wants to sing along to? Do I have a melody that matches the kind of melodies that they like to sing? Is this a subject that has any interest at all to the market I'm trying to reach out to? All these questions we're going to delve into. If you've got good melodic ideas and you feel like, this is so catchy, but how do I put it into a form? Well, I can help you with that. Okay, you know, there are actually forms of songs, the way that the songs are ordered, verse, chorus, and so on. There are certain things that are already working in the market that you're aiming at. There are already certain ways that people prefer. It's just a fashion. It'll change in 10 years' time. But there's current fashions right now in every major style, in every major music genre around the world. There are currently ways that most people are doing things, the way that they're creating and structuring a song. I can help you understand, partly by me showing you, and partly by giving you homework so you can go and research for yourself, so that when you next time write a song or you start gathering all these song ideas you already have, there's a reason why you put that verse there. There's a reason why you have that chorus there. There's a reason why you've got the pre-chorus there. It's not there just because you feel like, I should write a pre-chorus. No, you're writing a pre-chorus for a good reason. Either it's got something more to add to the song, or it's because in that target audience that you want to reach, that is a preferred way of writing a song. That information is out there, and it's in this course, and I'm going to teach you to become a miner of information, a researcher. So when you're writing songs, you're bringing your creativity into the equation, but you're also responding to what's happening in the marketplace. You're aware of it, and it's in the end, a lot of it's common sense.